Hey, Taco here. Just putting the Iris Infinity together, and it's a a little bit warm this morning so far. A lot of bugs. I hate bugs. A lot of bugs out. But it's that time of year in South Carolina where you get lots of bugs. So it's something we can go ahead and sort of expect from here on out. Okay. You know what? I'm an idiot. That's what I am. I have my hoop behind everything. There we go. I'm wondering what was different today. Okay. All right. Yeah, now that's more like it. Okay. But it's a nice cloud-free day, which means the thermals are going to kick off anytime soon. No wind. So if I do get to take off, it's going to be a windy takeoff. And let's see how I feel about this. Don't like this. What is this caught on? God, I hate this cotter pin. Jesus, it's straightened itself all out again. Okay, we need to find a solution for this stupid thing. Okay. Okay, no action at the airport this morning. I don't know if you can see this, but this little clip on Vitarazi's starter pulley has straightened itself out twice. Keeps getting caught on stuff. So I am going to see if I can bend it around itself to the point where it won't get, it's not going to fall out, and there we go. It can't fall out now, and it's not going to get caught on this. Okay. I intend to replace that thing with a legit cotter pin, because this little piece of crap needs to come off. So anyway, let's see if we can get this wing up in the air as soon as I finish my assembly and pre-flight here. Okay, got those together. This is not Iris Infinity Velcro strap. I broke mine, and so I had to get some new stuff, but I got half an inch. I should have got a full inch, so I got to order a new Velcro strap. Okay, so we got our carabiners, Jesus nuts, carabiners, Jesus nuts. Okay, reserve bridle installed. Okay, radio cords behind the reserve bridle. Okay, we've got reserve. Pins are in the pouch. Pins are in the pouch. We've got handles in the pouch. Okay, so my reserve's safe. We've got What is this? I don't even know what this is. If anybody knows what this little dudek power seat light springy cord is for, let me know, because I have no clue. Okay, radio cable. Okay, hoop. That Velcro clipped in. I need to tighten the tension. Okay, that's fine. These are down right, up on the left. Hoop. Velcro. Hoop. Velcro. Uh-oh, this one's behind the thing. Now see, that's why you pre-flight. Fixed. Okay. So, hoop, fixed, Velcro. Velcro. Okay. Up. All the lines are good. Lines are good. Lines are good. Lines are good. Okay. So, tighten. Okay. Tighten. All right. Okay. Now this side. EGT's reading and RPM's reading. Throttle. Pouch. I got my pouch. I put my glove in my pouch. Okay. That's good. That's good. Okay. Engine. Okay. Everything's secure. Spark plug is secure. We have 5 liters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gas cap secure. In fact, it's so secure I couldn't get it off of there if I wanted to. Uh-oh, that's going to present a problem. Okay, how does something that basically contains oil get their lid stuck? Okay, that's good. Throttle cable assembly. Freedom of movement. Muffler's good. Muffler moves. Okay. That's on tight. Okay. Hell, it looks good. It looks ready to go. Let's give it a take the cruise off. Okay, let's give it a snap. It's been about 15 minutes. Let's give it a snap and see if it comes on. Okay, clear prop, even though there ain't no prop on it. Okay, now, helmet. Okay, helmet looks good. Radio's working, 8 volts. Comms. Okay, I'm gonna play with comms in a minute.